Hello, good morning. Today I would like to discuss about missing values of categorical variables. Suppose this is a dummy data set which are three independent features and one dependent feature, that is feature 1, feature 2, feature 3 and output, that is dependent feature. Here this column contains missing value in row 2 for feature 1. The popular methods which are used by the machine learning community to handle the missing value for categorical variables in the dataset are as follows. I already explained what is the numerical data and categorical data. Here, first method is to dealing with missing values, that is delete the observations. Then replace missing values with the most frequent value, that is mode in the case of categorical variables. Then to implement this method we replace the missing value by most frequent value, that is most frequent value is a male, therefore we have replaced male here. Delete the observations, we have to delete the row, second row from the data set. Then develop a model to predict missing values. See how to do in a Python. We draw feature 1 column and then use feature 2 and feature 3 as our features for the new classifier, and then finally after cluster formation try to observe in which cluster the missing record is falling in, and we are ready with our final dataset for further analysis. First we have to import necessary dependencies. Import necessary dependencies: import numpy as np, import pandas as pd. These are the required softwares, libraries. Load and read the dataset. First you have to import and then read and load the dataset. df is equal to pd dot read underscore csv, toy underscore dataset dot csv. df is equal to pd dot read dot csv. How to read that dataset? Using pd dot read underscore csv, we have to give the dataset here. For example, in Colab research, you can open then new notebook. It is connected with your Gmail. Suppose you have to give the name of file. Missing value ip by nb. Okay, it will take the file name. Then how to add the code? Here first of all Here you want to upload CSV file. Then how to upload that? It shows this sample data. Click on that, upload. Upload. Here I have one data set. Data sets, 1 minute. Data sets, you can take any data set from here. Group by type, it will give all the files. Suppose heart data set. I want to take this data set. Okay. It will copy this data set temporarily up to your current session. Each time you have to upload the data set in Colab, but in Anaconda it is permanently take the data set. But here see the path, copy path, and you can use that data set here. First of all, import what is the required? Import numpy as numpy. This is the image. Import numpy as np. Numpy as np. Then another import pandas as pd. Import pandas as pd. How to execute these statements? Execute this. It will successfully executed. Then again we have to add another lines of code. Here read and load the dataset. df is equal to pd dot read underscore csv. pd dot df is equal to pd dot read underscore csv bracket double column control V. This is the path. See the path. You can copy path and include here. Then next statement, df dot head. First of all, execute this statement. pd dot then execute this statement. It will successfully executed. Then add df dot head. It gives df dot head. Execute this. It will display all the records of dataset, first 5 records of dataset head. This is the example how to load the dataset and how to read the dataset, how to display dataset. But after displaying this dataset have NaN. NaN means null value. Then find the number of missing values per column. For this data have null values, but our data have no, suppose missing values is there. How to display that? Df is null dot sum. Df is null dot sum. Df dot is null dot sum. It display all the missing values of every column, but here no missing values, therefore it shows 0. Then apply strategy 1. What is the strategy? Delete the missing observations. How to delete that missing observations? Df dot drop NA, axis is equal to 0, in place is equal to true, and again you have to display df dot head. Df dot drop NA, df dot drop NA. See the drop NA, axis is equal to 0 and in place is equal to true. Drop NA, axis is equal to 0, in place is equal to true. Execute this. Df dot drop NA. If it gives error because here missing values are not available, therefore it gives error. In place is equal to true, x is equal to 0, in place is equal to true. Here missing values are not there, therefore it gives error. If missing values are there, then it will work. Using drop NA, we can delete the missing observation. Axis is equal to 0, in place is equal to true. It will delete all the missing values. Apply strategy 2. Replace missing values with the most frequent value, that is a male. First column contains most frequent value is a male. Then we have to replace male here. How to replace that? Fill missing value with the most frequent value of that column. Df dot fill in a df dot mode dot ilog 0. That is male is the most frequent value. We can replace this value with this missing value. Therefore it displays df dot head, again it replace null value with male value and replace that, display that. Delete the variable which is having missing values. Means suppose we want to delete this column because it contains a missing value. Then how to do that? Df dot drop NA, axis is equal to 1. Axis is equal to 1 means that is a column 1, in place is equal to true. It replace it delete the variable which is having missing values. Again you display without feature 1. Feature 1 column have missing value. Like that we have to dealing with missing values. I hope you understood how to dealing with missing values. Do the practice, use any dataset from internet, dataset with missing values. You can take that and practice with the Colab. First you have to log into Gmail and then use Colab. Then it will successfully open and upload dataset when you require, when you open the session of Colab, and when you log out from the Colab, this dataset will disappear. It is not permanently stored into Colab. Thank you.